things like the Octoverse report really greatly contributes to the position of India in the innovation index of the world. We project that by 2030, 1 in every 3 new developers will be from India. It's amazing to see that in October's 2025, India added more than 5 million developers in this year alone. It's the time where a whole lot of developers are experimenting with a whole lot of AI tools, be it GitHub Copilot or be it any other AI tool out over there to really bring their idea to impact. And you add on to the fact that a whole lot of students, young developers, early engineers are able to realize the true power of programming and software development much more earlier. All of this is contributing really well to the growth of the developer ecosystem in India. India is very diverse in terms of culture, in terms of languages, in terms of practices, beliefs, whatnot, etc. This diversity becomes a really huge strength for developers in India because one app, one solution that you might build, you are probably building it with so many millions of people in mind. So you naturally start thinking about scale, you start thinking about compatibility with various different ways of operating it, various different geographies, etc. So it comes to a net effect where everyone benefits from these strengths and diversity. Natural language is the interface to use AI, and the more natural languages that developers and people can interact in with AI, the more easier accessible it becomes. If you are a developer who is good at communicating in a natural language, which is natural to you as well as the AI system, you can use that to code in your own language, be it Hindi, Kannada, Bengali, Telugu, Gujarati, Tamil, whatever be the languages. And what this really helps and unlocks is the clarity in expression of thought. A developer who is sitting in India in even a remote region is able to build something which not just solves a problem for his or her local community, but also helps address a problem that's happening in another part of the world. So this collaboration, when it becomes global, collaborative, and also crosses geographies, leads to a whole lot of innovation, leads to a whole lot of unique perspectives on how you can solve problems, come at solutions, and also address a whole lot of technological challenges as well, which might not be immediately evident. One of the amazing things about the open source ecosystem or even the global developer community is how much of innovation happens because of different perspectives, different problems, different way of solving things, etc. Developers are really interested in not just using AI or consuming open source projects, but also giving back to AI projects, giving back to AI, and giving back to the open source community. And it definitely is a source of pride for many people to see and get a proof point that developers in India are not just consuming open source, they are not just consuming AI projects and tools, but they are also contributing back to open source in a really large way and helping build a whole lot of the AI projects that are being used today globally, including in India.